both. Yep, you're the editor. You're the queen editor.
Wait, you're filming this? I just turned the camera on over here.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Huh?
Your mom she likes every angle.
I just bought this. I want to test it out to see if it works well.
Do you plan on using
I watched a YouTube video.
You watched a YouTube video?
Yeah, I think actually this would be perfect for trips, long trips. We could have a little.
So we can bore the hell out of people with our drive-in.
Okay, can we just?
Yeah,
I feel like I'm going to a Thanksgiving dinner because I got a shit ton of mashed potatoes here. And a pocket full of
oysters. Karaoke cab.
What?
Is that a thing?
Breath smells like shit.
Oh yeah.
What the?
You have John breath?
No, it's
a mouth
it's
breather.
literal septic.
Holy shit. Okay, so we're going. You're taking forever.
Guys, we got the crazy string. I feel like I'm 12 again.
Does everybody got a pocket of 4?
This guy
or at least a pocket of 2?
We used to have these for.
Somebody
my goodness!
Oh Jesus!
Look at Jeffrey's tatties.
I'm sorry, guys. It's the 33.
We used to have these East Bump Day, and you spray paint spray paint your hair. Yep.
Yeah.
Make it all
but
kinds
they
of
had
colors.
silly string sometimes.
Yep.
Only the kids that had
neighbors are out.
parents with money would get them though.
You're good my way, honey. There you go. You're good.
Expensive, like $5 a can.
How's your day at work, Jeffrey?
Who cares?
Look like we got a breakdown.
I already got it out of my system.
Okay.
Or did I?
Oh my.
Now that you're analyzing each other's day, so when we pull in a driveway, Larry's got a driveway alarm, remember?
Plans.
So I'm going to get out and do a little.
Is it ever on though?
ping.
Like, does he ever have the sound on?
That's all Uncle Larry does. He sits there and listens
if
for
it works or not.
So I'm going to go do pull the little cable off the back. So.
Let's just pee on their door handles.
Yeah, because it's similar. It was one of the.
You're gonna disarm his alarms? What the f is going
Pee
on?
on their door handles.
Why would we pee on the door?
Jeffrey's got to go. He's got to go.
Save the string.
We did
pee on the
that
door
once.
handle.
Wait, what if we just use that to
Goodbye,
pee
Larry.
on the door handles and we just peed on Joe?
You don't have to tell me.
Like we
Jesus
shoot the
Christ.
string on the handles and pee on Joe.
That sounds better, actually.
Mom, you gotta pee on Joe.
Game once and pissed all over a guy's door handle.
No, I mean pee on them, on the person.
Yeah, let's pee on Joe.
Yeah. I think it's good for like
I'm not picking on
moisturizer.
anybody.
They say yours good for the complexion.
Yeah, no, he's like late 40s, like, so he's probably like looking for some excitement.
I mean, if people drink beer and drink urine, what's wrong with getting it splashed on
Joe's
you?
into a golden shower.
Oh yes, he is.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, and you can quote me on that.
Jeffrey's got gold string.
Okay,
Yeah,
again, when
crazy
when you
shower.
hit that driveway, you got.
We're just pulling in like bad, like
Wait a
just
minute.
no forgiving.
It says shoot streams of.
Yeah, that's a neighbor's house, Mom. Jesus, she don't even know where her
Where
own
did you
brother
even grow
lives.
up?
here for 20 years.
It's right here. It's right here.
Oh my God!
Oh
Your
my
lights aren't
God.
even- Your lights were like not on.
Lights off.
Who let Mom drive?
Okay.
I regret not
There was
driving.
somebody
now.
driving behind
Driving me
Here,
crazy.
hold the potatoes.
you.
This
Turned
is-
your lights off on a highway.
Abort. Abort.
The other way.
Wait, why are we getting?
Somebody that just drove past.
Why is Dad getting out?
Nobody come.
Where's the alarm at?
It's right
Oh,
on
I
the
was
coast.
kidding about the door handles.
He's disconnected.
We're trying so hard not to get caught, but you're gonna frickin' upload this to YouTube and he's gonna see it. So what are we even? Who are we fooling
He
here?
does not. He doesn't.
Bull.
First of all, he doesn't want you.
He
to
uses
listen.
Twitter.
Second of all, it doesn't come out. When it comes out, it's already happened. So it doesn't matter who tells him what because it's already happened.
Why wouldn't?
Wait.
Well, then if that's the case,
Why wouldn't
they're gonna
Larry
know we're doing it.
Okay.
Why wouldn't Larry put
Wait.
wires in conduit? It's like they're bare and they got little quick clips on
And
it.
that's.
Wait, what do you mean?
Inside voices. Or we might
Because
turn
the
these
wires
off.
are exposed. They,
Ma, you can't turn those off
yeah.
Why not? How did they get off?
because I said so.
Oh, shouldn't even know.
Finally got to say that. It didn't make any sense, but I got to say it.
Turn around and we want to be facing out.
Are they home? Because there's no lights on over there.
Tommy, it's just mac and cheese in the
Yeah.
dark.
It turns out they're doing two dudes getting foods or whatever it's called.
Uncle Larry's had a basement this whole time, told nobody.
If Tom's not eating mac and cheese today, something's going
He's got
on.
cameras everywhere, but he doesn't have it in this one
Wait a
this section
minute.
back
I
here.
can't even see.
That's all I picture. I just picture like any like
I can't even see behind me.
Don't worry about
anytime.
it. You only stop when you hit
yes,
something.
Picture Tommy eating mac and cheese.
You got camera right
Like all
there.
like 12 hours a day.
keep
That's
going,
just
keep
I
like
got like
Keep going,
paranoid
keep
after
going,
the last
keep
video.
going,
He's like, man, they saw me eat mac and cheese in the kitchen. I'm gonna create a kitchen in the garage, and then they're just like. like eating the ground.
It's like Scary Safety Guy just eating mac and cheese perpetually, like
filmographer. All of a sudden decides he like has like a desire for human food.
Guys, you know when like you don't ever know what somebody's home life is like? I think Tom's just eating mac perpetually.
Who turned it
That's
on?
it.
Huh?
Yeah, maybe he might want that instant mash. That'd be a good like substitute for mac.
Honestly, yeah, it might be easier on the digestive tract.
Right, yeah, maybe.
What are we doing? Are we
getting out? Oh,
like right now?
Wait, does Jeffrey have to text Joe and be like, yo, come your car?
I didn't even do anything yet.
Well, you have to open the door first.
Why?
Wait. I think you should.
Is there child locks on this?
Jeez.
Wow.
I want to smack my mom in the face here with the door. Ma, you got like 20 dead pixels. I'm gonna say it before the comments say it, but you got 20 dead pixels. Turn torch on.
That's because she's got an English guy.
Okay, I've turned torch on.
Who's that?
That's her English guy.
Deck chair?
It's Dick too.
Alright, so I'm texting Joe.
What? Which one's Joe's car? I thought he drove a station wagon. This is a new age crap.
Listen,
I thought he had like a bajillion kids. Right.
How's he fit all them kids?
I thought he had a soccer mom fan.
Yeah.
this is probably his second car.
Wow, must be nice.
Snooty. Oh, that's the hybrid too? Okay, so text him and tell him that it's like car doors.
See if the car doors are locked.
Wait a minute, I'm on it.
See if
Let's Grand Theft Auto.
pollen's on this thing? I'm gonna have an allergic reaction for days.
What?
Oh,
What if we just all wait?
Line up at.
What if we all just sit in his car and wait till he leaves on Larry's, and then we bum rush him on the car while he's on
Because then we
on the
all gotta get
highway?
out.
Listen,
And look in the back. Look, he's got a. Look in the back. What, Jess?
he got?
a freaking crock pot. Look, there's a crock pot there. And he's got an amp.
Wait, put the mashed potatoes in the crock pot and then just let them cook over in there.
Wait a minute, what's he got in the back here?
Plug it in. There's probably an outlet in there.
How can you put, what, how many kids he's got? 4? How the hell you put them in here? You got all this shit in here plus a crock pot.
they probably have another. Ooh, there's a spider.
Wait, what if Tom was Joe's kid this whole
Probably
time?
has
He may
another
be.
one.
We don't know. The whole
Holy
time.
sh!
Can you imagine?
You're being awful loud.
Oh, wait, there's a nice.
Nobody's
soccer
out
ball.
here, Ma. They're
He
probably
was actually here.
lit right now.
Stop it.
Wait, I actually need a crock pot for home.
Do you need one?
Yeah, no,
Do you want-
legit.
here's a soccer ball.
No, I
too.
want the
This is a
crock
nice
pot,
one. This is
actually.
like a 4.
Will you stop?
I want pulled.
What?
I've been craving pulled
God,
pork.
woman, why are you so mean?
Oh, shut up.
All right, I'm getting
Did you
down.
hear? They're all in the back.
I'm getting down here.
Look, there's nobody out front.
Listen, this has not been thought through.
Yeah,
Are
you don't
running
say.
around the front of
Well,
the
that's
car?
'cause your sister
we run
boned us.
behind the back of the car?
Why are
What
you
we
looking at
gonna
me?
do?
So, what is this? My freaking
No,
mission?
but somebody's got to have a good idea.
So I'm gonna text Joe and say, yo, we're driving home from work past Uncle Larry's. Looked like there was someone rooting through your car, man.
Instead of texting, just do an audio
I
message.
checked that shit.
Do an audio message so you can sound more
already wrote it
convincing.
out,
Well,
though.
do an audio message too. Be like, dude, I ain't kidding.
Wait, you know what?
Just to make sure
God.
he needs to hear the emotion behind it, or else it's not believable.
Yo, Joe, it's Jeffrey. I'm driving. I just drove past. Okay, fine. I'll delete that one. What are you criticism
You're
here?
just being very loud.
Why would I whisper in my own car, Mom?
Huh?
You gotta be careful not to accidentally send it though. So if you're committing, you better say it right.
Yo, dude, I was just driving past my uncle's house. I saw there's like some like shady dude like going through like the cars. It looked like he was like in your car. Your car's white, right? Yeah, I would go check that shit out, dude.
Yeah, that was actually
Say the door's open.
that was your best performance.
Okay, the door's still open or
All right, all right, all right.
He comes out,
All
the
right,
door's
yeah,
open,
yeah,
the lights on.
yeah.
It's like, oh shit, somebody was in there.
Yeah, it'll say if he's
Because I
opened
think the
it.
mashed potatoes are warming back up.
Yeah, it'll say if it
All right,
opened
so
it.
I send it. I send.
It
Yeah,
doesn't
say-
matter.
Yeah,
if
did he
it's
open it?
hot or cold.
What?
The audio message will say like kept or something or like seen or something.
All right, I'm sending it now.
All right,
Do you
everyone.
think Joe even knows how to open audio messages?
Yeah. All right, everyone needs to shut up now. What are you doing, dude?
I'm hiding behind this car.
Oh, all right.
That's
So
Tom's
we're
car.
going that way?
I think
Tom doesn't drive yet.
Does your mom need to turn that torch off?
It's a flashlight.
Turn the-
Well, she calls it a torch.
Oh, Yeah, I'm turning. Yeah. Put it up against your body or something.
Like here? What?
No, cover it. Yeah,
These are
there
all
you go.
different kinds. I think this one's spray paint.
Where's mine? I'm taking one of these.
What? I had a plan for all.
Well, where's mine at?
When are we going?
Just till. I thought we were waiting for him to come out.
No, but I mean, are we going after it gets to the car door?
I don't know. Whenever you're feeling it. Whenever you're feeling it. Shh, shh, shh. Just shut up and send it. Yo, dude. Premature.
I tried.
Oh, yeah.
Doors open.
Oh, see ya. Oh.
Stop!
Oh, got him on his weenie.
What are you guys doing? Oh, what is this warm?
Oh my God.
What is this warm? What is warm? What is warm? Hold on. What is warm?
Crazy.
You guys.
Just
what
take
is
it.
warm?
Just take
What
it.
is warm? What is warm?
Nothing.
No.
I felt something warm.
It was in my pocket, dude.
How much?
You got Thanksgiving potatoes all over.
Oh
You're
my.
an Idahoan.
I can't even have potatoes.
You're the mastermind of this whole thing. I know it.
This is
Oh my God. That's what you get. You try to prank me, dude.
I did.
I heard it.
First of all, I don't understand why you guys are coming to me for. Why am I getting a part of
Let's
this?
give
You're the mastermind. You're the one we seen in the.
I'm the mastermind.
Jesse likes fish. Jesse likes fish. Let's bring him and feed him fish like a damn seal.
Stop. All right, that's enough.
We stopped because we ran out. So enjoy what you
That
have.
was really, guys. You guys
You're
had
like
a lot of.
tethered to the ground.
I still had more.
You're like a circus tent right now. Look, you got all the ropes hooked up.
Well, you got mashed potatoes.
Good stream. Good
They were
stream.
buttery mashed potatoes.
Yeah, get his nips. Get his nips.
Oh! Did you wait? Where is the mash?
We got
No, stop. We've had
Yeah.
warm. They're still warm,
on, no,
Joe.
It's like a snowball. It's like a
I don't know
snowball.
why you're coming at me for, dude. Like, I'm the mastermind. When have I ever been a mastermind of anything?
You took my mom's gnome, dude.
You're the puppet master.
You know
I
you
didn't
did.
take anything, dude.
Really?
Yeah, really. I don't know why you guys think I'm the mastermind. But like, I'm a guy that's.
You're a fast talker, quick talker.
Yep.
We're wise to you.
Oh, he ran out of words today.
I
He
don't
ran
have
out
any
of
words. I don't
words.
have any words. What do you want me to say?
Wow.
I already told you how.
All right, we proved our point. Go back in, manipulate Larry and Kevin and Tom to do
Come
whatever
on.
you want.
Like, I'm not.
You made my wife batshit crazy when you stole
I
the
would
gnome.
not. No, I did not.
Yeah.
Hey,
Good defense.
hey, bad
No,
guy.
I did not. Great.
When you
Great
go back
job.
in there and interrupt Tom's mac and cheese, why don't you actually
Yeah.
come out here and pick this up?
Teamwork makes the dream work. Woohoo!
You guys are ridiculous. This is absolutely crazy.
Yeah, come out to Tom's mac and cheese.
Yep. Don't slip and fall on the string. Yo, friendly fire. What the f is this? I feel kind of like bad now.
my shoes. Bring it here, taste them.
No.
Oh.
I didn't bring any paper.
Whose phone's this?
What?
Oh, there's my phone.
Oh,
Oh,
There
thank
you
you.
go.
what
Oh.
is this?
Huh?
That's not silly string.
Oh, this is for me.
goodness.
Did everybody get rid of their
It
silly
starts to
string?
get real stringy after a bit if
Yeah.
you just leave it. So
I'm leaving this in your car.
I got it all over the side of the car here.
I kind of feel a little bad, honestly.
I don't.
I don't feel bad because he was part of it. He was in the camera.
He likes
He
making
had a
people
wig
feel
on.
bad for
They
him.
were going to get you.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know.
You would have had all that silly string all over
I mean,
you.
at this point, I would have accepted the mash if somebody came out with a mash. Yeah,
Well, they were
I
going
would
to
have
give
ate
you
it.
salmon too, remember?
I know. If that's what it
God.
took, honestly, I would have ate it and just took the prank like a man, you know?
Yeah, if you could have recooked
You're good
it,
my
it would've
way,
been
hon.
alright, dude.
Oh, yeah, I could have asked for
Pretty
leftovers
well.
or something.
Yeah, it will well. He
calls
took
for
it
hours,
well,
but
actually, for being the king of the prank. You know what I mean?
Did those mashed potatoes?
Well, it's because
get
all we did was
mixed
silly
or not?
string. We
Well, I
should have,
didn't
like,
know
Who
pants.
threw the mashed potatoes?
I did.
We should have pantsed them. I
Did
don't
you
know
get
why
it?
we
Yeah, I
didn't.
stuck it
Yeah,
on
it was
top
just
of his head.
schoolboyed him too.
Yeah. Oh, no, it's too childish. Silly string's just, like, too juvenile. Next time, it's like, we gotta actually, like, twist his nips or, like, pants
Yeah.
him.
No,
Give him a
no,
Erie Canal. And twist his
Yeah,
hair off.
sack tap, open neck, no respect.
I got titty
Yeah,
twisted when I was
actually,
a
he
kid.
needed an open neck because he didn't show any respect.
Yeah.
He didn't. He took it though. I give him that. He took it. It's almost like he was waiting for that shit because he knew something was
Well, he
happening
probably
after
gets
he
that at
freaked
home
with
from his
us.
kids, so like us
Right.
doing it wasn't a big deal. That's why it's
Right.
like it's got to be something more extreme.
But then he's going to play the sympathy role. He's going to go back into Larry and Kevin, and then, oh, I was picked on.
Yeah, and now
Well,
yeah,
that
and
means everybody else now, we have to be aware of
Right.
everything, because I bet you they will try something.
yeah, and if they were gunning for me before, they're probably gonna now come after me harder.
Yeah.
And the prank's probably gonna be even worse than silly string. Yeah, so
It's going to be worse.
We
but
still have Aunt Jackie. She can still.
do we?
I still think we
Yeah, right. Aunt Jackie's
She's probably
like-
sitting in the house.
Yeah, I saw her through the
What?
window. She's probably eating Easy Mac with Tom.
Yeah. Laughing her head
Either way,
off.
you know, whatever they're going
Her
to do,
little
it's not
gray
going to
head.
be all that great.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah,
they're the ones who came up with the silly
I'll see him a
thing to begin with.
mile away. If
I think what we need to, if we need to do something else, we need more of a thought out plan.
I agree with
And-
that.
What are
yeah.
you saying? This wasn't thought out?
No.
It was last minute. Jackie
Oh,
called.
you're talking about like, yeah, well, I guess they're gonna get us back, so we should be prepared.
No,
Like,
what are you supposed to do? Jackie calls and said they were going to do it tomorrow. We did it today.
maybe we do it in
what-
such a way that they don't actually see us doing it. Like,
Preemptive
friggin'
strike.
we're running
Yeah.
right up there and be like, yeah, it's us for sure.
No, you're retired now.
We
You
didn't
gotta
even have
come up-
masks.
Come up with a plan. That's all you got to do.
Yeah,
Come
what
up-
if we had masks and we're like,
I
hey,
would like to do something a
hey,
little more deep.
Butterball, we're
Like,
here to
that's
take your
something that
jelly
has a
or
little
something.
more like thought that they have to think about. You know,
Well, yeah, you got to
mess
think of
with
it.
their minds a little bit, because that's
Yeah,
what they tried to do.
It sounds
They
great
did.
in
They
theory,
tried.
but
They
you
tried.
got to
That's
come up
what
with
you-
what that is.
That
Until we
shit
hear
ain't
it,
right.
it's all talk
Yeah,
at this point.
we'll evaluate that when it gets presented.
Yeah, that's a tall order.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
I'll mess with their minds. I'm gonna put wanted signs all over the trees in their woods.
Right now, I'm gonna go home and now try to fall asleep in paranoia.